What's up, chat? Welcome back to the Casuals. We are here at the Big W. Finally, they let us in to Wankhede Stadium, box number 37 at the MCA Pavilion.
You know where to find us.
All thanks to one man, Mr. Samrit Jain. Thank you for the tickets, sir.
Thank you.
He's got-
Thank you so much. Finally, my hard work is being acknowledged by Tana and CS.
We
But
made a very important free throw, and that's why
Exactly.
we are here. We got our box seats.
and if you guys don't remember, the free throw was in the video with Vijay Sule, who promised us IPL tickets. We beat him, and
Yeah,
he
exactly.
delivered. But so did I.
So we don't have to thank him for that or anything.
Yeah. I didn't thank him. I
Yeah,
just
we
said
thanked you.
Yeah,
I'm not that thankful. I'm not thankful.
Yeah.
It's just, it's debt.
Game is a game, and a win is a win is a
And
win.
also box walks and all is nice, but the ice cream was a little warm, bro. If you ask
little
me,
melty,
little bit, little melty.
melty. I don't want to say anything else
Yeah.
about the food. Great, but
Yeah.
everything else was great.
Everything else is great.
And as you can see, it is. What's the score right now, bro?
56 for 1, 6.3 overs.
Mumbai
Mumbai
Indians are batting.
needs 107 to win.
Yes, and almost a stumping.
Rohit Sharma hit the highest score of this year's IPL for himself. At 26
Congratulations.
runs. Shout out. You deserve a stand for that.
And shout out the casuals. Yes, please go.
Thank you, Chef.
so much, chef. You're chef from the Bear. But anyway, anywho, I was gonna say something. We've been catcalling the cricketers all day, and that might be the highlight for me.
What's this?
Aniket! Aniket!
Verma!
Aniket!
Aniket!
Aniket! Okay, he's not
He
listening.
doesn't like. His team is losing.
Call me later.
But Zeus, you have a nice word you have used to describe Hardik Pandya today in the field and how he behaves. What is that word?
Chalka. The ultimate chalka. If you know what that means, please comment, guys.
And if you don't, what does it mean?
Watch the later. Watch the video later.
Look at the comments, bro. Someone would have dropped it by now.
Oh my God! Cummins with a stunner. I think so. My back was faced to the field.
Rickleton is out. He was looking alright, but he's gone.
EVs. Arey, we are live experience. Also, it's what 10 o'clock now. MC Sunny. MC Sunny did a fantastic
Shout
job.
out to our boy.
Shout out to him. But honestly, I prefer watching the match without any music or any MCing.
Yeah, same.
But shout out to the boy for doing an excellent job.
Excellent. Boom, boom.
Bumrah.
Bumrah.
The owner of the Mumbai Indians has graced us with her presence.
I don't know if y'all know her, but
Look at this.
she's a great benefactor. I don't know if many people know her. Do you think many people know who the owner is?
She's the goat. She's the goat. Nothing else.
She is, she is.
The goat.
She throws the...
She also actually waved at me. I
Yes, that
said,
actually happened.
Hi, and that actually happened.
That actually
She's
happened.
living at a family that's on that side of the box, but sure.
Bro, we are all family. Mumbai Indians family.
And also Tana is Gujarati, so
Fair.
it counts.
Exactly. Yeah, family.
It counts. SRH scored what 160 complete frauds on wickets that are a little tougher than their flat wickets in Hyderabad.
Not out!
Not out.
Not out!
Oh,
Not out!
Not
Not
out. Stadium is going
Not
wild.
out! Not out!
Not out, baby.
Not out!
Take
These-
that, Hyderabad.
These Hyderabadis are cheaters and frauds and dhokebaz.
Dhokebaz. Chat, let us know. What is a fraud in Hindi? I said dhokebaz.
I said Nitish.
Nitish is our intern, by the way.
Bro, first off, turn the camera on yourself and answer this question. What time did we plan to meet today?
7:15.
What time did we plan to meet today?
7:15.
And what time did you come?
7:35.
7:40.
35.
Bro, we give you these opportunities that you'll never get in your life. You talk to Paul Hughes, you're here in the box. You did nothing for that. Any of those things. You didn't work hard, didn't do anything. In fact, you didn't
worked
post
hard,
also for the
bro.
past 2 days. Let me just point that out. Apparently, he's injured. He's got into it with someone. I don't know. But he's going through it. We give him so much. He doesn't thank us. He doesn't come on time. Nothing, bro. Nothing at all. Please, bro. Show some, grace.
I'll
Be
try.
grateful once in your
I'll
life.
try and be better.
Yeah, please.
Watch the free hit. Watch the prediction. What's the prediction for the free hit?
Free hit 6. You're catching it. Zeus is catching the 6.
Yes, is catching it, bro.
Aniket is catching it. Aniket will hit a free hit.
We'll hit a free hit.
Aniket will catch the ball. That guy will go to hit a 6 on the free hit, obviously. Ryan Ricky.
I say he's going to sweep the ball.
Sweep. Why you not sweep the ball?
Sweep for a boundary.
He's lifting it for short of the free hit.
Don't drop it.
Oh, my God.
The game just got over, and we are here outside Marine Drive conducting our normal interviews once again. Let's see if we can find some characters again, ask
Yeah.
them their thoughts about Mumbai Indians.
It's just not looking as lively as the last game.
Because there was a one-sided match. No?
One-sided Mumbai RCB also it was like
Last time, yeah.
yeah. So we'll try our best. Free ticket for one interview. Free ticket for Mumbai versus CSK April 20th. Thala for a reason. Free interview, free ticket.
Slow start to the season, पर अभी तो सही लग रहा है ना?
Yeah, it's okay. आज बोरिंग था लेकिन.
आज बोरिंग था क्या? I expected fireworks हैदराबाद के साइड से, पर क्या ब्रो? खाली हैदराबाद में ही.
Diet is good.
डाइट इज गुड. क्या चेंज किया डाइट में? आपको क्या लगता है? ग्लूटेन फ्री?
चटनी कम कर दी थोड़ा बहुत.
मैच अच्छा था, मुंबई जीता, अच्छा लगा, बट बहुत वन साइडेड था, तो थोड़ा 3 मैच इतने अच्छे किए, चौथा मैच इतना बोरिंग कर दिया, तो थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट था, बट ठीक है, फन.
We were all yawning by the end of it, including us. We saw people like booing at the end.
middle as well.
अच्छी थी लेकिन स्कोर्स बहुत कम थे, जल्दी विकेट चली गए.
Yeah, it was a fun game. It was quite one-sided, but there were some crazy moments.
What was a crazy moment?
When Rickleton got out and then the gloves were ahead, and then when Travis had got out and he also had to come back. So yeah, but one-sided otherwise.
Today was good because we won against Pat Cummins.
Yeah, finally. Cummins and head.
Yeah, Cummins and head. Yes, absolutely.
Kept them quiet.
Absolutely. We were doing like this after we won.
Yeah. No, actually, our stadium will get it up now. So,
Absolutely, man. Wankhede is total vibe.
Yeah.
And when it's Mumbai Indians and Wankhede, the combination is crazy.
who are you rooting for?
Am I? But we wanted that SRS scores big, so our money would be worth it.
Yeah, even we actually wanted that, but it's fine. A win's a win.
Yes, a win is a win, and it was actually a fun match. We saw a bit of Rohit Sharma coming back to the touch.
Yeah. Highest score this season for Rohit.
Yes, his highest score for this season.
Only 26.
Yes.
आरसीबी फैन होते हुए आप मुंबई का गेम कैसे देख रहे हो और इतना पैसे कैसे स्पेंड कर रहे हो मुंबई के? क्या करते हो काम के लिए?
मैं तो बिजनेस करता हूँ, बट मेरा तो लॉयल्टी आरसीबी के लिए.
और तो फिर मुंबई के मैच के लिए क्यों आए?
बैंगलोर जा नहीं सकते.
बैंगलोर नहीं जा सकते ना.
You also Bangalore fan?
Yeah, obviously RCB.
Sunrisers Hyderabad, how was the performance?
First of all, did you feel emotional जब अभिषेक शर्मा ने वो post वो note? This is for the Orange Army. Did you all cry a little bit or
Were
was
you
that
emotional?
cringe?
First of all, I'm an RCB fan. I came
So
to
why are you wearing this?
I like Pat Cummins, honestly. I came to watch him. I saw his spell today, and I think it is brilliant. And MI played really well.
So RCB this year, number 18 for
It was
18
a win-win
Virat.
for us, basically.
I don't know.
Why? Oh, neutral fans. You all both are RCB fans.
RCB fan.
But where do you live? In
We
Bombay?
live in Pune.
So neutral territory, you can pick your team. I'm not
So
going
we
to
don't have a team.
What do you think Mumbai is going to win the entire IPL?
No, not this time. This time RCB would win.
Again, you're also a Kohli.
Yeah, off camera, I've just found out that he is secretly an RCB fan. Look at, he's getting nervous. He's getting nervous.
You're a traitor to our city.
No, like it is a thing. I am a very loyal fan to RCB
So why are you wearing this jersey?
because I had no one to support in today's match. So I am wearing MI.
So then don't come for the match.
Why?
Not allowed.
See, like I see Rohit Sharma. I am whenever I see him, I am happy. So I came to support him, and he played really well. So I am happy about it.
First of all, look at his outfit. This man is shameless. Look at this topi. We throw it in the fucking water. He's carrying a Mumbai flag, wearing a Mumbai jersey, and wearing a RCB cap. You have any shame?
No, I'm a Kohli fan.
But you're from Bombay, no?
I know.
Who would you rather?
That's why I'm supporting my home team, no?
Who would you rather win the IPL, Mumbai or RCB?
RCB, of course, man.
RCB का कोई सिर्फ कोहली चलता था, लेकिन अब सब चल रहा है.
Do not compare Mumbai to RCB.
We have
We have
5
won
trophies,
5
yeah.
times, they have won 0.
तो इसलिए तो न्यू चैंपियंस होने चाहिए ना. I like Mumbai Indians, but I want new champion. Even Punjab हो, DC हो, RCB
You did that, you threw the flag. You're pure there's gaddars on
ऐसा
gaddars in the
कैसा
city.
fan है यार?
सब गद्दार हैं.
I only respect one flag, that's the Indian flag.
Give me a flag.
we all do.
Give me a flag. No. You take a Kohli flag. You take a RCB flag.
I'm an Indian fan.
Is Kohli going to win 18th year of the IPL? Is he going to win the trophy finally?
I think it's destined to happen.
Tell me April 20th this week.
Yes,
Thala is coming to
Sunday.
Bombay. What's
Yes.
going to happen?
We are excited, but CSK will win. First match.
Always CSK.
Is Dhoni going to bat?
He has to bat because CSK's batting lineup is a bit concerning. So he will come to bat.
Predictions for the CSK MI match.
CSK is winning.
Yeah, is Dhoni going to bat at 7, 8, 9 or
He's
10?
not going to get batting. It doesn't
He's not gonna
matter.
bat
No. We'll finish it with 10 wickets to spare.
10 wickets to spare.
Yeah.
Bro, confidence is crazy with these kids, man. धोनी को पसंद करते हैं. धोनी या रोहित शर्मा.
वैसे तो अनहोनी को होनी कर दे धोनी
लेकिन रोहित शर्मा बॉम्बे का है ना.
है, पर मैं मतलब उनको सपोर्ट करता धोनी को.
Guys, CSK love to be environmental specialists. They plant a lot of trees for the environment, but watch them crush MI this time.
So you don't care about the environment.
I do.
They've
But
planted
that's-
enough trees, it's fine.
But this,
They've planted enough trees, it's fine.
but now MI, it's time for MI to plant the trees and for CSK to do the beating up.
मैच देखा? मजा आया?
नहीं होता
थोड़ा बोरिंग था, लेकिन हम जीत गए ना मुंबई. आपको मुंबई अच्छा लगता है?
है सीएसके फैन
अरे सब CSK फैन है यार.
हाला फॉर
तो इसलिए फ्री टिकट चाहिए. नहीं फ्री में हम लोग नहीं देते. मुंबई फैन को देंगे, आपको नहीं देंगे.
ले लो मुंबई
दे दो. थैंक यू. मैं लेता रखता हूँ. अरे चल I'll take it. फ्री टिकट. बॉक्स में.
What about Hyderabad, bro? कितना boring game.
का फर्स्ट मैच 10 के रन रेट से खेला, लगा 200 जाएगा, बट
सब आज बोल रहे. डेल स्टेन ने बोला 300 बनाएंगे.
Exactly. इसके लिए आज से हाइप था.
Unnecessary hype.
18.5 में टारगेट चेस किया था लास्ट मैच, तो फिर लगा कुछ तो कर लेंगे, बट वानखेड़े पे पहली बैटिंग थी तो कर ही लेते, बट
हैदराबाद से हमें रिफंड मांगना चाहिए वापस.
मांगना तो चाहिए. बहुत पैसे भरे थे.
And now tell me, Sunrisers Hyderabad, frauds or no?
I mean, we can't say frauds, but we were interested in watching them bat.
Okay.
But okay, it was a
So they
disappointment
cheated
today.
us.
It was a disappointment today.
They cheated us.
We
It's
expected
Travis
better.
Head.
Yes.
Less than 100.
Blue jersey versus Travis Head.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
Head
always a
and
delight,
Cummins,
but
no?
not today.
Yeah.
Yes.
We shut them up.
We also expected Ishan Kishan to bat
No, I didn't expect anything of him. That one
against
century
Mumbai.
was lucky.
Against Mumbai in Mumbai, his old home ground, so we expected, but it's okay.
No chance.
हैदराबाद जो है ना, हैदराबाद में मतलब सब के सब क्या बोलते हैं, वो है असुर है सब. सही बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन कोई चल नहीं रहा है, अलग बात है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर्स लोग हैं. ऐड हो गया.
फ्रॉड है सब. फ्रॉड. खाली हैदराबाद में ही बैटिंग करते हैं.
अरे हाँ, वो अलग बात है कि नहीं चल रही है, टीम ने तो बहुत अच्छी है.
SRH, fraud alert or no?
Expected like big things from them, but it's
Yeah, this year we were saying 300. They can't hit 150.
What 1-2 season wonder.
Travis Head was a big disappointment this game. I think like one of the worst innings he's ever played. Like,
Yeah, but he was the only one who was kind of making runs. Nobody
But
else.
he was a 100 strike rate or something.
Yeah.
Less. And he got out twice.
Yeah, he got hurt. Abhishek was the only one who was trying to score boundaries.
And then Klassen at the end, right?
Hyderabad's batting was so bad. It was fully opposite of what they do.
Just snooze fest, yeah.
So boring. I don't know what to expect.
I was expecting it to be a good batting pitch, but I don't know.
Sunrisers Hyderabad, frauds.
Basically, at the start of the IPL, they were looking very good, but you know, they seems like South Africa, like chokers.
Fair enough.
जो क्वालिटी रोहित में है, वो जो प्लेयर के साथ में चलता है, वो एक अलग माहौल होता है. इट्स अ टीम गेम. तो टीम को तुम कैसे लेके चलते हो, उसके हिसाब से आपको टीम परफॉर्म करेगी.
ठीक है, वो अग्री करता हूँ, पर आपको नहीं लगता है कि कैप्टन है जो उनको मतलब एग्जाम्पल होना चाहिए. वो मतलब फिट नहीं है रोहित शर्मा यार. उसको थोड़ा फिटनेस बढ़ाना चाहिए. आपको क्या लगता है?
फिट नहीं है तो आप इंडियन टीम क्रिकेट में लेगा ही नहीं, खेलेगा नहीं. वो बोला खुद मेरे पास दिमाग है, 2 बच्चों का बाप है, उसको कब क्या करना है उसको पता है, तो वो सोच के भी करेगा. वो पहले कंट्री फर्स्ट लगता है.
Are you happy that there's a stand going to be named after Rohit Sharma now at the Wankhede?
Oh yes, I heard that yesterday and I'm really excited for it and happy about it. That
You think
some stand-
well deserved? He
Yeah,
deserves it.
It is well deserved.
Yes.
Because the achievement that he has made India win the World Cup and the Champions Trophy, he deserves a stand name.
And so many IPLs with Mumbai also.
He has a stand named after him soon. What do you guys think? Well deserved.
We're thinking which stand will they replace?
Which stand will it
replace?
One at a time.
We were wondering which stand he'll replace. So
Which one is he replacing? Devecha, na?
Devecha.
Yeah.
You think they're forcing him to retire or what? Retire, we are naming a stand after you and all. Just retire, don't play anymore. You think that's happening or what?
He himself said, "I'm not going anywhere." So I don't think that will happen.
तो बच्चा और वड़ा पाव भी है ना, तो ध्यान तो रखना है.
I think World Cup के बाद ही जाएगा.
और रोहित शर्मा बकचोदी नहीं कर रहा है. आपको ये नहीं लगता है?
अरे अच्छा कर रहा है वो. कैप्टनसी से हटा दिया भाई.
तो वो अच्छा है कि आपको क्या लगता है?
मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर उसको कैप्टन बना दिया जाए ना तो ऐसा कोई मैच नहीं होगा जो अच्छे से नहीं खेलेगा। हर एक मैच अच्छे से खेलेगा और 5 बार, आपको मालूम है 5 बार डिपेंडिंग चैंपियन है, तो हर वो ट्रॉफी जो है ना छठा भी आ जाएगा, छठा इस बार आएगा ही, क्योंकि वो परफॉर्म भले ही करे ना करे, लेकिन अगर सजेशन देना लीडर है, वो इंडिया का लीडर है भाई वो।
मैं अग्री बिल्कुल भी नहीं करता।
इसका जर्सी देखो।
मुंबई इंडियंस, हाँ रोहित शर्मा लेजेंड, पर कप्तानी तो हार्दिक पांड्या के साथ ही होनी चाहिए।
नहीं भाई, रोहित शर्मा इज बेस्ट, रोहित शर्मा इज बेस्ट।
ठीक है, और आपको क्या लगता है कमबैक होगा कि नहीं मुंबई इंडियंस का?
तो देखो ना भाई, अब कितना कमबैक, 2 मैच तो जीत गई। अभी देखो, अगर मुंबई का क्या है ना, मुंबई एक बार जीतने लगती है ना तो टूर्नामेंट जीत जाती है। वो कमबैक की बात ही नहीं, वो टूर्नामेंट जीत जाती है।
एंड रोहित शर्मा, बेस्ट इनिंग सो फार इन द IPL फॉर हिम, 26 runs, still not good enough. Good enough.
Not good enough at all. We are waiting for his comeback. He's gonna come back maybe against CSK in next match. But yeah, definitely.
Yeah, he's due a century, at least a 50.
Absolutely, at least 150.
Yeah, and they have a stand named after him at the Wankhede now soon.
Yeah, we are waiting for it, and definitely. Definitely will reserve the ticket in those stands for sure.
Oh, you will get tickets in those?
100%.
So where's the Virat Kohli stand?
It is absolutely in Delhi.
It's not there, na?
It's in Delhi.
Yeah, there's a Kohli stand.
There is a.
You didn't tell me earlier.
There is a Virat Kohli pavilion, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, and when you have a top 3 of Ryan Rickelton, Rohit Sharma and Will Jacks, we should see you win the IPL.
Yeah, of course, bro. Rohit Sharma has his own stand at the Wankhede. Does Kohli have a stand named after him?
He will very shortly.
Stop the cap.
Will know who got it first.
Because Kohli's on the verge of retirement, Rohit is.
Who got it first?
Rohit is older.
Doesn't matter. Who got it first?
Okay, Rohit.
स्पेशल प्लेयर तो मेरे हिसाब से सूर्य कुमार यादव और तिलक वर्मा।
बुमराह। पर बुमराह अभी आया है और इतनी अच्छी बॉलिंग नहीं कर रहा है, वो अभी भी अपना फॉर्म ढूंढ रहा है, तो आपको क्या लग रहा है?
आ जाएगा वो फॉर्म में। आज अच्छी बॉलिंग की हुई।
वो इतना नंबर 1 बॉलर है, अपने इंडिया का नाम रोशन किया है, तो उनको फॉर्म में आने के लिए खाली एक मैच की जरूरत है बस, और वो ये तो दूसरा मैच था उनका।
What do you think about Deepak Chahar? Should he be dropped and Ashwini play, or because Ashwini did well in the first one?
No, I think he's a very good new ball bowler. We should still give him more chances.
But then he gives a lot of runs at the end.
I know, but we should back him for a few more games. If he doesn't perform, then we can bring back Ashwini.
And predictions for Mumbai? Are we winning it all?
I have a good feeling that they qualify. They'll have one of those runs which they have, and they'll win. I think they should win all their matches at home, all the remaining matches at home. Yeah.
Watching Bumrah bowl is complete satisfaction. Like it can heal you from anything.
Yes,
it's like going
point Yorker is best.
Yeah, insane. Last question: predictions. Who's going to win the IPL?
IPL, maybe DC. DC are on a good run.
DC, Punjab.
Punjab. Okay, so the newbies.
Yes.
They've never won before. Not RCB though.
No. They can win hearts, kidneys, but not trophies.
Do you know what a chalka is? Chalka is. What's it? Chalka.
Chalka. What's a Chalka?
What's a chalka?
Hardik Pandya. Oh, of
Yeah.
course.
What do you think of Hardik? Good captain.
today.
Look, decent captain, but very arrogant person overall.
Okay. You know him personally like that?
Yeah.
Acha?
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
giving you the tickets to go.
Yeah, bro.
And you're still abusing him.
Yeah.
Bro, you're a damn mean mix, man.
I know,
How you-
man.
और मैच देखा?
हाँ मैच देखा, बराबर देखा।
किधर स्टेडियम में के बाहर?
इधर ही देखा मरन ट्रैप।
अरे फोन पे?
हाँ।
अच्छा। और आज मजा आया? मजा आया?
मजा आया, बम्बई जीती।
अच्छा, आप किधर से हो?
हम अलीगढ़ वासी।
वो किधर आया?
यूपी।
अच्छा। और यूपी में टीम क्यों नहीं है?
अरे टीम कोई टीम थी ना।
लखनऊ
है।
तो आपको लखनऊ पसंद कि मुंबई?
हमको तो हमारे शाहरुख खान की पिक्चर बाकी रहेगी।
तो KKR पसंद है?
हाँ बे।
तो मेरे को छूना मत। और KKR आज ये साल अच्छा नहीं खेल रहे।
अच्छा खेली आज मुंबई।
अरे नहीं, मुंबई ना KKR अच्छा नहीं खेली। हाँ?
हाँ बे।
शाहरुख खान की टीम अच्छा नहीं खेल रही है।
वो बेकार खेलती है ना।
हाँ। और दूसरा बोलो।
और दूसरा क्या
कैसा चल रहा है धंधा पानी?
अच्छा चल रहा है।
अच्छा? मेरा मसल अच्छा है कि नहीं?
ये तो फिटनेस बन रही है अच्छी।
अरे थैंक यू यार, मैं बहुत करता हूँ एफर्ट। और आप कितने बजे तक काम करोगे?
हम 8 बजे तक करते हैं।
सुबह 8 बजे तक? तो कभी?
पानी ठंडा पानी चल रहा भाई सेठ।
ये लोग फेंकते हैं रास्ते पे, अच्छा नहीं लगता।
और बता सेठ जी,
और बताओ सेठ जी।
लूज छोड़े।
हाँ एकदम
लूज
लूज। अपर ही है फिर अब और
अपर
चार्ज
ही,
करोगे
अपर बॉडी।
फिर 200 और मत बोलना।
हाँ वे
हाँ समझा। और बोलो रोहित शर्मा का। ओह माय गॉड, यू गोना किल मी। हाँ रोहित शर्मा अच्छा खेला आज।
हाँ वे
फिर इतना अच्छा थोड़ी खेला, थोड़ा अच्छा।
हाँ बढ़िया खेला। मालिश ही तो बना रहा हूँ सेठ जी।
मसाज राइवलरी। सर आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम प्रवीण दुबे।
प्रवीण दुबे,
इसमें बात कर।
आप ये कौन सा गंदा जर्सी पहन रहे हो?
ये मेरा फेवरेट टीम है।
तो फेवरेट टीम आज हार गया, क्या हो गया?
होता है कभी कभी भी। पिछला मैच में हम लोगों ने इतना रन करके चेस किया।
हाँ
तो कभी अप एंड डाउन चलते रहते हैं मैच में।
अभी ज्यादा डाउन हो रहा है ना हैदराबाद का।
लेकिन मुंबई कौन सा बहुत ऊपर है।
बैक टू बैक विन्स है ना।
हाँ लेकिन वो कहाँ पे लाइन में पॉइंट्स टेबल में कितना ऊपर है, कहीं भी नहीं
हमेशा
है।
स्लो स्टार्ट होता है और फिर
स्लो स्टार्ट होता है, बाद में बंद हो जाता है।
हाँ, नहीं फिर जाके हम लोग ट्रॉफी जीतते हैं।
अभी आपके पास रोहित शर्मा है।
हाँ
हमारे पास भी अभिषेक शर्मा है।
नहीं अभिषेक शर्मा बेटर है ना आज।
हाँ वो तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अभिषेक शर्मा तो बेटर ही है।
लेकिन बुमराह जैसा कोई नहीं।
हाँ वो तो मानते, बुमराह जैसा कोई नहीं, लेकिन सामी भी है हमारे पास।
हाँ और आप किधर से हो? बॉम्बे से हो?
नहीं नासिक।
अच्छा नासिक।
हम लोग नासिक से आए काव्या मरन को मिलने के लिए। हमारे पास वो पोस्टर भी है।
और वो
लेकिन आज बैड लक वो आई नहीं थी मैच देखने के लिए।
अरे बाप रे, इसलिए हैदराबाद हार गए।
हाँ
आप आए, वो नहीं आई, हैदराबाद।
हाँ हम लोग उसको ही मिलने के लिए आए थे।
आप उसको जानते हो?
नहीं हम लोग देखने के लिए आए थे। टीवी पे भी बार बार देखते रहते, हर बॉल के बाद वो चलती रहती, तो हम लोग बोले मिल लेंगे सामने सामने।
आप पूरी फैमिली को काव्या मरन देखने आए थे?
नहीं ये लोग तो मुंबई के फैन है।
हाँ
मुंबई के सपोर्टर है, मैं अकेला।
वो अच्छे लोग हैं, आप अच्छे आदमी नहीं।
ऐसा बोल सकते।
और हैदराबाद ये साल 300 मारेगी कि नहीं?
300 पार तो कभी भी हो सकता है।
नहीं
पिछले मैच में चेस कर रहे थे, नहीं तो पिछले मैच में हो गया रहता।
हाँ बराबर है, पिछले मैच में
हो गया
245 चेस हो गया।
मुंबई ओनली फॉर काव्या।
अरे लाइव स्ट्रीम निकलो इधर से। और कुछ क्वालिफाई होगी हैदराबाद?
हाँ इस बार तो हो जाएगी, आराम से हो जाएगा। आरसीबी के साथ में हमारा मैच होगा।
हाँ
आरसीबी सेकंड फेवरेट टीम है मेरा।
अरे यार
बिकॉज ऑफ विराट कोहली।
बिकॉज ऑफ विराट कोहली।
Yes.
ऐसा कैसा आदमी है? मुंबई का कुछ भी नहीं।
मुंबई का
आप
कुछ भी
रहते
नहीं।
हो मुंबई के पास।
अभी हमारे घर में मुंबई की 3 लोग हैं, उनको फॉलो करने वाले।
अच्छे लोग हैं यार। आप बात करो हमारे साथ, इनको लेके जाओ घर पे।
तो हमको भी तो फॉलो करना पड़ेगा किसी को। पूरे ग्राउंड में हम लोग 15 ही लोग थे जो एसआरएच को फॉलो कर रहे थे, बाकी सब लोग तो मुंबई के लिए
सब विराट के फैंस थे। ऐसा लगता था। हम लोग ने कितना इंटरव्यू किया, सब विराट धोनी बोलते।
सही बात है।
अभी नेक्स्ट मैच बॉम्बे में MI CSK, कौन जीतेगा?
MI CSK इस बार मुंबई जीत जाएगा फिर।
हाँ
अगर एसआरएच के साथ नहीं है तो मुंबई जीतेगा, तो मेरे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
अच्छा और बैंगलोर के साथ?
बैंगलोर के साथ ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है।
अच्छा
यहाँ पे दोनों साइड हमारे प्लेयर, इसके लिए कुछ बोल नहीं सकते।
अच्छा ठीक है। That's that. Another win for Mumbai. Back-to-back wins.
Another successful day at the W, and also great fun at Marine Drive once again. Oh ZS, where were you? Oh, what a big surprise! What a big
you appeared from?
Yeah, bro. It was me and Kavya were in some alone time.
But met some great people on Marine Drive. Mr. Praveen ji, who's standing right here.
Met some traitors as well.
And
once
traitors.
again.
हाँ, Hyderabad, Mumbai का होके Hyderabadi fan.
He's come from
Nasik.
Bro. So
From Nasik.
So it's fine.
So it's fine.
But his family is good because they are Mumbai
fans. हाँ, he's the only Hyderabad fan from his family, so all good. But thank you so much. Thank you so much
to Vijay Sule.
Yes.
Hooked
Box
us up with
tickets.
some box seats.
No thank you to Hyderabad actually, because they gave us a very shit match. I want my refund back. I mean, what the hell?
Refund back.
I spent so much money, fought so hard to,
make the free throw.
Gave my blood, sweat and tears, and this is what I get from Hyderabad.
Actually this and some melted ice cream. So
Exactly.
everything else was perfect.
Everything else is perfect.
So yeah, thank you so much. Check out the next one
And Kavya Maran, we love you.
next time.
Yes, bye.